Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck, that was all fucked up.
Order filled.
Oh, ah, okay. Okay, cool. So I don't have to do what I did anymore. Yo, bro, what's going on? Beautiful Tuesday. Go only one way today. In the positive. No negative trade today. That's the mindset. Pre-market pump. That's a 17-point move on the SPY. Which this is what I have to trade because if you look at $150 loss, like
Order
my
filled.
market, like look where my stop is, right, for $150 loss. I mean, I have to move a lot more, but this is where you scale. I scale in, so like.
Order filled.
And buy again.
Order filled.
Buy again.
Order filled.
Buy again. See, now it's a $615 loss, but if I Bring it up here. 260. We catch her on a pump. That's what I did yesterday. Yeah, it's... I don't know. It's tough. Let's see what the gap looks like. I mean, trading... let me bring up the actual MNQ chart. Okay. Yeah, what a pump by Bitcoin this morning. Holy shit. So the SPY closed at 69.64, and MES. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, fuck it. I'm just gonna go to the NASDAQ. Right now we're trading 25,378. Yeah, there's gonna be a 110 point gap. You want to use a 1? Yeah, I always was trading on 1 and 3. Oh, okay. Edit 9. Yeah, it's like I can delete these. Yeah, range traded there. This was on what was this? This was Wednesday. And Thursday it wasn't much. Friday was good. But yeah, it hasn't done anything. Like, it made this move yesterday, which is the move that I caught. Oh, here's my uncle. What's he got himself into? Hey.
How are you doing?
Alright. Yesterday morning I lost 300 right off the rip, and then I got her all back.
Did you?
Yeah, I caught a huge move on the SPY on 4 contracts.
I will be happy to do so. I get into the final, then hope that expand the energy up, and it does manage to get the finish line for this. It will be a massive save.
Order filled.
You know, showing some real pedigree.
But it's just range trading. It's not doing much. Expect a move today.
Now, look, NASDAQ.
Yeah, the NASDAQ and the SPY is just range trading. It made a little move yesterday, but then it just went sideways all for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Taylor, go home?
Yeah, he went yesterday. But I'm looking to catch like a 50 point move down on the SPY. Oh, that would be massive.
Sure.
It's pumping though pre-market. It dumped and then went straight into a pump. Oh, maybe they already grabbed the liquidity that they needed. I mean, right? They grabbed everything from yesterday. There was any trades in here, long trades in here, they just grabbed all that liquidity.
What if this
And we have created as not much for fair value gap. This we're getting 12 centimeters of snow in like 5 hours.
That is guaranteed. I thought it was supposed to get pounded, Justin.
Yeah, I know. We're between I think it's supposed to start here in an hour, and between now and 6 o'clock tonight, we're supposed to get like half a foot.
You had enough snow. You don't need no more.
Yeah, well, they give us what that asshole down south is giving us. No, got nothing to do with the asshole down. Well, we have to so it doesn't. And the weather is all due to Mother Nature. Yeah, so much of it. Yeah, I go down to my own work and I go down to
Yeah, I grabbed all that liquidity and it's come back to the middle of that range. Hell. I don't know, man. It's either a move down to here, like in this range, or, well, for this I'm gonna have to go here. Go to the SPY. Oh, wow. What do we got? 15 minutes. Hell, man, we're at an all-time high. We're at an all-time high, so any move up is... It's got to be a move down to make a move up. I think you're right. Your uncle kind of sounds like... Do you know who Tim Waltz is? The guy in my stream says you sound like Tim Waltz. Yeah. I think it's got to come down. How's the DXY? The NASDAQ? Oh, this. Oh, that's US dollar, yeah. Like, I think the US dollars, the DXY is gonna come down to here. Well, it's not. It hasn't. I think it's gonna come down to 96. It's forming lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, so Bitcoin gonna go up. Yeah, I think if I was a guessing man, I'd say, which I pretty much am. SPY and NASDAQ are gonna drop today. Retail sales comes out. Unemployment rate, that's... Well, that's a... Oh, I guess we just have this news today, right? Retail sales. Tomorrow's unemployment rate. Tomorrow, that's a risky day to trade. Broken window. No, somebody reported a broken window, but they got the wrong house. No, it's not unemployment rate today. That's tomorrow. Oh, we're getting some activity now. Yeah, it's retail sales is the red news event today. Yeah, such a crazy manipulation here. Yeah, 30 seconds, market opens. Yeah.
Every time you pull me back in, I do something I regret. Maybe it's just who we are, ignoring all the red flags just to open up all our old wounds. Back to the start.
Point of control. POC1 is near 7K. If RSI comes over bot there, which that's where we are now. If RSI's overbought, this is going to be a dump. I mean, that's what that guy thinks. I mean, that's a huge milestone for the SPY, right? So I'm looking for orb again today. Yesterday, I was right on the move. The first trade was too early. Then I caught it when it broke back out of orb. It came in for a deep retest again. I caught it for a $250 move. There's no fucking hours even on here. To look here. I mean, you're at a premium high. It says it's weak, but let's see if we can tap it. And then the second POC is at 67.50, which would be a massive move down. I can't do custom time frames. Ah, okay. Yeah, on the SPY, I'm really watching 7K. So switch to the 15 so we can get this candle. Yeah, I saw that. But again. Everything else is neutral or undersold. Can I do that on here? No, I mean this is not a good one to use, right? I just use this for execution, but here should be able to have 3. What the fuck? Oh, period to 6. On all of them? Doing it here for the NAS too. 6. And on the regular RSI, can I change that too? Change this to 6 as well, eh? Yeah, it's fucking dumping now. It's so risky to trade that candle. I mean, everything on RSI is lining up as oversold. If the 15-minute can get down there. I think what... Hell, I think by 9:45 we could be at the bottom of these candles. Because we just come up and swept the high. We just come up and swept the high. And made a move down. I should have seen that, honestly. Hell, let me get in there on a quick little, fuck it, $20 loss.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Oh, we might lose 20. We'll have to get that back.
Stop filled.
We'll get that back. What a pop. That was dumb as fuck. I knew not to fucking do that. This is massive. I set the range here on the NASDAQ too. No. I know that was dumb as fuck. That was dumb as fuck. $4.11 to $2.89, $2.90. 120 point range so far. I mean, that's not terrible, but what a dump. This is strong as fuck. I just keep adjusting this range, holy fuck. Yeah, look at the NAS. Watch this. We still got 2 minutes. Whatever happens. Now, the thing is here, it looked like we did sweep the high of the last drop on the SPY, failed to do so on the NASDAQ. There was no sweep of the highs here. but an evident sweep of the lows. And now there's no fair value gap from here anymore. The only FVG that still exists is between 24,700 and 24,650. Oh, the SPY is massive too. I need to figure out what this distance is here. Minus 2150. How can I find the midpoint of this? I just eye it. That's it, range is set. Okay, now properties, MNQ all charts, properties, style charts. There we go. And now I'll go to 49. Yeah, they suck. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They really do suck. We're very oversold here on these 3 minute, 9 minute, but not the 1 minute. Yeah, believe me, next time I get one of these funded accounts, it is not going to be through this unless I have a task with market level 2 data and I'm executing trades on there. But other than that, no, I'm choosing wealth charts or TradeAvate. TradeAvate I could put onto TradingView too. I mean, we're kind of spoiled to use TradingView, right? It's such an intuitive, such a good interface platform that nothing else really can compare. You can't look at, like, hell, look at fucking MetaTrader. That shit looks like it's fucking out of the 80s. Even with their new updates, like MetaTrader 5 comes out. Oh, what was it? Developed in 1987? This is a dump day. Dump day. But I don't know. Look at that slap. Oh no, that was within the that was what formed the 15 minute. Okay. 2RR. Alright. Nasdaq's trying to make a push outside. Nasdaq just pushed outside the range. See, Nasdaq, I can make more money, but Nasdaq also I can lose more money with the same kind of move. Nasdaq has a 1 minute candle close outside the range. Looking for a 5 minute. And I'm waiting for a deep retest today. But then that's the problem. Sometimes it doesn't. Like if I go to sim and I go DXY is down. If I go 5 minute chart since orb. Well, no, actually, DXY is outside the high on the 5. Ooh. Yeah, DXY is gonna close outside of orb on the long side. Oh, sorry, you can't see. Fuck. So 15 minute candles in, which is this one, this one, this one. We had a 5 minute candle close outside to the high. It's retesting. It's retesting now. Oh, look at that. The MNQ has failed to close outside and it popped back up. MNQ on the 5 minute failed to close inside the range, made a big pop back out, or back up, and yeah, DXY is testing now, testing the high of the 15 minute. Same with the SPY, what a pop back into the range. Hell, I think we could... We're gonna pop right to the top side of orb. This is midline. That's a strong rejection off the midline. So far. Okay, I'm gonna add it to 1 and then I'll copy. What the fuck? Period displacement. $50. I'm gonna add, I gotta change the color of it. No, not green. Just gonna fuck with the candles. $50. So they're... Oh, that's impossible to see. Jesus Christ. MES. It's the blue one. Yeah, man, if you fucking got long off that. Jesus, what a move. Here, then I have to duplicate this. Wow. 50 and 200 on EMA? And then the EMA is 50 is the darker blue one. Wow, what a fucking move. Here we go. That could be a sweep of the highs. I'm not watching the move because I'm trying to fucking move charts around. We got a 5, a 3, and a 1. Nasdaq's still inside the range. But the SPY has closed outside. That 5-minute candle is gonna close outside. What a fucking move that was. The EMA, the darker blue, is 50 and the lighter is 200, and then this is part of the Bollinger. But actually, you know what I might do? I'm going to middle band 0 5. Oh, what? Fuck me. Still got time. There's no move here yet. I'm just gonna remove the SMA then. Remove, apply. Here's the retest. Yep. I mean, the move looks like it's... The NASDAQ looking like it's bouncing off the top. Obviously, with the SPY, the bias is long. But the NASDAQ has bounced off the top. And here, like, I always expect these two instruments to do the same thing. The problem is the NASDAQ created a much bigger range than the SPY did. So the SPY was able to close outside. We're looking for a continuation up. But I like to see a continuation on the 5-minute chart of 2 more green candles and then a test. Because now this could just fucking roll the range all day. That's what I'm worried about. We have now just right near 7K. We have swept all the liquidity from the highs, all time, on the SPY. That is a max liquidity sweep. There's nothing left there. There's a move up. It's a move up into uncharted territory. We've never seen it before. I got to. Oh, wow. Honestly, I'm thinking of setting a stop loss above 7,005 and playing the move down. I just don't see this pumping up today. I mean, it's rejecting pretty good. If we can create a new high But it's like, what? I risk a fucking long up to there? Like, what's the point? Overbought on 5 minute, 3 minute, oversold on 1 minute. Oof, still no move outside the range on the NASDAQ. We're getting a push from the NASDAQ here. Fucking freezing. Volume is very high today. What's the volume like on ETH? I mean, if the SPY can't create a longer wick on the low, like... My bias is long. And there it goes. I'm not trusting it though. I need a 5 minute close above that wick. Yeah, see this bullshit? Now overbought on all of the charts. Hell, a 3 minute close above will do me. Like, that has to be the play. The NASDAQ's now outside the range. I mean, we get a pop back down. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a retest. I'm gonna scale into 1. Wow, there's no resistance line. It's broken. There's never been a price this high. So support is now, like, I think a close above, you had a resistance at 7K. You had a resistance at 7K. It's now closed a 5-minute candle above. So we'll see how it reacts. But other than that, there's no level. Anything after that is levels of like 710, 720. Kind of point of interest numbers to defend. Can close above 700, yeah, 7,005 on this 5-minute candle. I'm gonna scale in another one. Fuck, that was a bad leak. I need to use a fib, yeah. From here to what? Here? So this could essentially retrace. We don't look for anything more than a retracement to 65%, right? That's golden pocket. Fibonacci extension, and then we go like this, right? So from here to here, and then back down, then to where? So just leave it here like this. Oh, we're fucking down. That's not good. So from here to here. We're gonna get fucking stopped out.
Stop filled.
Fuck me. I was fucking around. I wanted to move that. Yeah, and look at the bounce off midline. The Nasdaq did the same thing. This is what happened to me yesterday. And then it closed back above and I went long and it fucking ran. Look at that bounce off of the 50 EMA. It bounced right off the 50 EMA. And the Nasdaq's bouncing off the 200 EMA. Yeah, I don't understand with the Fibonacci extension. So from here to 6996. Oh my god, that's the top of that range. Like this. Top of the huge red drop. Oh, this one. Down to here. And then back up to here. Or back up to here. Ooh, that came right into golden pocket and bounced. If that's correct, 61.8 to 65 is golden pocket. To the top, up here. Or is it to the top of this one? Delay is wild. This one. Yeah, bro, that's wild that this happened. What about the Nasdaq?
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, I don't expect that. Surely it's not gonna fucking drop back down and test again. That was a perfect sweep. of all the late longs in here. All right. I mean, I'm gonna 150 loss. This will be it for me. If I can close a new high above the top of that fib extension at 0%, I'm gonna scale into another contract. I should have got long down there. If I would have had that fib extension drawn out, I would have seen that that's golden pocket. Oof. Wow, this is testing 7,005 again, right? So that candle literally fucking closed on 7,005 on the wick.
Order filled.
No, I'm in one on the NASDAQ too. I'm gonna pop 1 minute here for the active trade.
Stop filled.
Oh, that was on the NASDAQ. It got swept off. This is gonna. I think this is a good trade here. Come on, but we gotta get a close above 7,005, or it's gonna go the other way. Oh no. $7,005 is protected, strong. Well, 200 in losses today. Oh, it's on the up. No. There's nothing like that on the Nasdaq. That's not the trend. Nasdaq's trading a little different today. It had longer consolidations. I mean, it's sitting in the range of 2 order blocks. Yeah, I read on Reddit. Everybody said is pissed off because all their usual strategies are failing. Well, I'm below midline. I'm below midline on orb, so if it stops me out, then I had no business being in that trade because it's gonna go negative, I think. For a third test down, like, up she goes. Push, lads. If we can break 7,005, man, I'm scaling into another contract. I don't give a fuck if I blow my account. Come on, lads. What am I fucking down now? 138. If I can hit this trade, I'm up 150 on the day. Happy with that. Push, lads. Let's make new highs. We need a high volume green candle. Like this one. Close to the range midline on BTC again. We need it to break. We need it to break. it's different, a little bit different trade in Bitcoin because you can run off historical data because you're still not in highs. Fuck, you're in 50% of the range of what Bitcoin was, almost. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a step in here from them. This is good. Making a new high volume candle right down here. Come on. If we can break 7,005 on the SPY, then we're looking good. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. 7,005. Come on. We're testing it again. Come on. I don't know, man. 5 seconds. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. It's this 5-minute candle though. We need this 5-minute candle to close above. The 1 minute tried, the 3 minutes trying. Come on, guys. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna bring my stop loss to just below orb. I don't like this. I don't like this. We failed to close 7,005. Yeah, this isn't good. But I just have to, I'm going there below that swing. If it breaks that trend line, then we're toast. But I think the bears might have control again. That's not good. They do. Ay. Just no follow through. No follow through. I'm gonna be down today. 120. Holy fuck. What a failure, boys. I mean, it's making higher lows, but it's failing to make higher highs. It looks like it's squeezing. It is squeezing. Kind of. I mean, technically that's a higher high. Thank God I didn't go stop loss to entry. The NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get a trend line here. There we go. It bounced right off the bottom of that trend line. You gotta find strength here, boys, or we're toast. It's fucking squeezing though. From here to here. Yeah, if it breaks this, I'm fucking toast. Oh, God. That's it. What a joke. GG's. Fucking completely rolled over. He's gonna range trade all day. Ah, fuck. Christ. Get a fucking bounce here? Likely not. Are you still in or did you get wicked off? I think you were long down here, right? On Bitcoin, if it's making the same pattern. Yeah, I'm toast. Great. I mean, we're showing some strength back here. It's oversold on the 3 minute and the 9 minute. Red doji candle on the 3 minute. Close at 50% profit, waiting for retest to get back in long. Yeah. Yeah, retest to where I'll get wicked off. I mean, the bias is long on the SPY. If it can break 7,005, then we're on our way, I think, but I don't know. I don't think that might not happen. Oh, we gapped up. That's weird. There's a gap. I mean, the trend line's kind of held. Not really, a little fake out down. It seems like. It's gonna roll over on me. This is gonna roll over. Ah, come on. It's gonna engulf that candle yet. Oh my god. This is so stressful. I need a new fucking... I need a new hobby. Ugh. Fucking kid kept me up all night.
7 days, still awake. Subtle pain, bitter pills, a heart attack. The summer rain's falling and I can't get up. I've called you but you won't pick up.
Come on, come on. Surely we have the strength and liquidity to break 7,005. Maybe not. We need to go for a run now. Please let me be right. Terrible entry. If I had other tools at my disposal to see the absorption and the entry long here. A tap of the exponential moving average and then Oh, guys, we need a continuation up. Like, come on. Holy shit. The 1 minute's overbought. Oh, yeah, rough day on the market. Rough day on the market. Fucking rolling over. Think.
Order filled.
What the fuck? What, like reverse it? Like sell into here, wait for a retest down to here. But see, if that's making higher lows, then the retest we gotta get down here. We gotta get the entry down at the top of the orb. Yeah, I know about that, but I have to check the rules for Apex to see if that's allowed. I know some prop firms don't allow you to hedge. Like active positions, buy and sell open at the same time. I mean, if this starts a new trend here, like if we're going off of this, then I'm looking for entry here. Oh, that's... No, I think it might be deeper than that. Yep. Is this the entry point here? No, it's gonna go deeper. It's now all oversold though.
Order filled.
That's too early.
Order filled.
For fuck's sakes. I gotta work on my patience. Yeah, I know. Easier said than done, though. I just didn't wait long enough.
Seasons change, I feel the same. Do you think of me? I swear love was something more. Or was it all in my dreams?
Fuck, I was hoping we could get back up so I could get out of this break even.
Did it all come crashing down that easy? Collecting your thoughts, 'cause they follow as I keep running in circles.
At 11 a.m. too, we're slowly dying in volume.
I see your face
Look what it's doing, man. It's just fucking trading the same range as yesterday. As yesterday afternoon, it hasn't even made a move. Like, this was yesterday morning. That's like a decent move. Fuck's sakes. I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, what a joke.
Stop filled.
Yeah. That's literally right here. And then fucking see this test back down and the candle turned green full and then got long and set it here. I still got 1100 in drawdown and all this thing is doing is trading within the range. Like, I feel like the bias is short now though. Like 25,450 was tested 3 times on the NASDAQ and 7,005 was tested 3 times on the SPY. Like on the 9-minute chart, that is literally just an order block range. And then possibly manipulation. And then the distribution is going to be up. I don't know. But look at that. Now we're trading back above orb. Like, that is so stupid. Just fucking come right from my stop loss below the moving average and then just fucking get back in the trade. Like, what a joke. Yeah, that could be it. Because yesterday it set, well, yeah, NASDAQ and the SPY, like 15 minutes. Yeah, it's right around the all-time high that was set yesterday. And now it's, yeah, it could just be stagnant until tomorrow. Because now, if you go to the 1-minute chart, now it's back below orb. Like, the fuck is this shit? I'm inclined to short it down to the bottom of the range. I go to sim 5
Order filled.
to the bottom of the range. $475 above. Like, I'm inclined to do that. Even set the stop loss at 7,006. Yeah, I'd like to see it pop back up there, right? Even now, if it can pop up to 7K, it's worth a short. Because we created a lower low, an equal low, a lower low. Just fucking slam 10 micros on it.
Order filled.
See, now it looks like that level's flipped. 6996, it looks like it's flipped into a resistance.
Order filled. Like on the NASDAQ, we got this is the trend on the NASDAQ. See, on the NASDAQ, if you switch here and you short 4 micros, Order filled.
to the bottom of the range, you have $1,000.
Order filled.
That might be the play. It can be a while before we see that move. Be back in a few.
for way inside my head. Don't know how to say it, but there's nothing of me left. Try all that you want, baby, you can be my guest. You can be my guest. Don't look back, you're almost at the heart of me, heart of me. Not much left there, just a little part of me. A part of me, a part of me, a part of me.
Oh. What are we? Do, 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 do. The NASDAQ just created an equal low. And so did the SPY, pretty much. Kind of went a bit lower, but same with the NAS, it's a tiny bit lower. I'm looking for a bounce up and then to short it. Yeah, that third test here, that's a fucking short. Like, get short there and then fucking on 5 contracts and boom, you're up fucking $600. Overbought. Almost overbought. Still oversold. I don't know. This is kind of fucky. I fucking knew it. I should have just got short. Yep. Look at that. Wow. Well, what a bounce. Holy shit. Potential liquidity sweep. Now oversold on all time frames. You can get a solid candle anywhere, like. It's almost too risky, like. Oh, fuck, I knew it. I should have just fucking got long the second it wicked down there. Be massive move. I want to come up and snag that line. fucking called me. I don't know if there's a play left today for me. Nothing makes sense here. It's fucking lower highs with higher lows. Lower lows with now coming back into higher highs. Doesn't make any fucking sense. So we're likely going to test the top of orb again. I guess that's the play I'm looking for. Especially over here on the SPY. But now we get to move down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That's just on sim, that's not.
Order filled.
I don't have an idea. Yeah, we're coming into lunchtime lull, so. NASDAQ. We're right inside that 65 range. Yeah, look at that fucking move down now. What a joke. For what? I wish I could trade gold. At least gold did something today. Moved. Here was open. That was the orb. Broke below and it's holding. Like, gold did something today. It hasn't even come back to orb. Like, but it won't let me trade gold. Yeah, I gotta focus on locking that in. See, I was doing that too much on bad entries, and then it thinks, and then you see the trade go your way, right? It's an emotional thing. Psychological. Gold broke orb and then didn't even come back for it. Like, that would be fucking awesome to trade. But they won't. They temporarily shut it down for trading on Apex. Well, because people were just fucking bankrolling off of gold and silver. Yeah, no, I understand that, like, which is the whole point you're trying to get across, right, is try to find your better entries. Like, we should have just been short from that retest, that test there, where we popped above 7,005 and the sellers held. Like, even if we got in here, right, and put a stop loss at the top, 7,006, great fucking trade. Kind of inclined to get short here somewhere. Halfway back up, retest of this breakdown. Are we going to orb, boys? Come on. Our retail traders are about to take over. Ah man, shit, they look like they're rolling over. Nope. Just kidding. We're gonna see if this green candle can close above on the 9-minute. Is that this candle closes in 45 seconds. Because in the 9-minute, right, It's actually trending up. I'm seeing things now, bro. In the 9 minute, it's trending up. Well, that candle should have closed. No? Guess not. Oh, that candle started at 11:30. But yeah, it's trending up on the 9 minute. The 9 minute on the NASDAQ is not trending up. The NASDAQ, I'm looking to find a new low here on the 9 minute chart. Everything's oversold. Here's a level. 25,330. It's approaching right now. Yeah, I know it's... I'm just gonna shut it down. Wait for tomorrow when we're down 200 today already, so... We got 1,100 in drawdown left. I'd love to catch that move you said, right? Like the good trade today was orb established and it instantly bounced off the bottom of orb and retraced the entire 200 points on the NASDAQ. The good trade is seeing that, dropping 4 contracts in, and you walk up 1,500 bucks. I mean, I don't know, because I'm inclined to just set a short and walk away. Set TP down here, you know, 10 points above orb. But then I'm like, the SPY on the 9 minute is actually trending up. So it's like, what does the NASDAQ do? The NASDAQ follows, no? They follow each other most of the time. They had to pump up. But with the SPY, it was... From the pump up, the NASDAQ dropped lower. It made a bigger range. It formed a massive fair value gap. It was covered early. Not so much on the SPY. I'm like, what if I do
Order filled.
market $150 loss, 157? Does it make sense? We're at midpoint.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Like, bro, I want to go long. Can cross the EMEA. That'd be good. The moving average is kind of fucked here. A 30-minute orb. So that's would be this, right? So did we get a 5-minute close outside? See, technically now on the SPY, if you go off 30, you didn't have a single candle close outside. It just ranged. That's interesting.
It's an interesting theory. Huh. Because that's, yeah, these candles here. And there's nothing closed. The NASDAQ and the SPY are telling me two separate things. The NASDAQ is just going to dump to the bottom of the range, I think. Oh, sorry, when I was showing you that, I was on the wrong screen. But yeah, the 30 orb, there's not a single close outside of it. Now the SPY and NASDAQ are lining up. Right, like, this should have been a fucking buy right here. On the SPY. It's gonna retest the top of orb at least, I think. It just slapped the moving average.
Yeah, I'm outie. I don't like this. Nothing about it. I gotta go get something to eat. And maybe watch some of the Olympic shit. But good luck. I hope you find something that you like and get in there and make some bank. I didn't. I gotta check Rhythmic for a sec. Yeah, down 201 today. $1,120. Yeah, bro, like, protect yourself, right? It's fucking trading inside of yesterday's range. Here's the 1 hour chart. Look, this was yesterday. Or yeah, this was yesterday. Nice hotel orb. NASDAQ. Yeah, so once it made that breakout, look, it hasn't left this. So stupid. Like, this is... That's a what? 25,353 to 25,174. It's less than a 200 point range. Like, that's typical ATR on the average true range on the NASDAQ is like 220 points or something. So that's like what your move looks like to be each day on average. But recently we've been having like 400 point swings. This is a 400 point swing, 250 point swing. For the next day, it was another 350 point swing. This traded within a 350 point range because the opening range was so big. The range is getting smaller day by day on open. So one of these days, we're expecting, bro, that 400 point move on a range this small is fucking a great trade. Yeah, I wouldn't even call that a fucking orb break. Technically, a 15-minute candle did not close outside of orb. I should have watched that. That's fucking idiotic. What an idiot. No close outside orb. What a fucking waste of money and waste of fucking my time. Not for you though. Not for you though. Streaming's never a waste of time. Trading today though? That's a different story. What actually, what did the DXY do? That fucking stupid shit's doing the same thing. But it always, like, what a move that was. That's a fucking massive move. But you had the manipulation. Manipulation again, and then Once this inverse fair value gap formed, that's your play. But that's at like what? 6 fucking p.m. Oh, because this futures, it closes for an hour? Is it not? No, you can't trade this after. That's fucking at a... We're almost into discount. The DXY, nice to see if that recession can give us a fucking big drop down. If it's looking like bad recession news. Because within the next 4 days, you have unemployment rate, existing home sales, which is forecasted to be down, and then all the inflation rates. That's a crazy news week. So that's probably why today there's nothing. That's my best guess. Okay, orb on Bitcoin is set to like... The timing is all messed up. Because this is orb on Bitcoin. Failed to close outside. Closed outside. Now you're looking for a continuation up towards the strong high. Fuckload of liquidity in there. That's Bitcoin. But bro, I have no fucking clue. I have no clue. Don't fucking ever take my advice on nothing. Not right now, at least. Come here for the laughs at all the L's that I take. Thank God it only cost me $100. Not actually what I've lost. So technically I've lost $1,000. So you need multiple. Thing about strategies is they can suddenly stop working. Exactly. Right? And it's not like that they completely stop. Like on a price action chart, all I have on a candlestick chart is orb and like trend lines if it breaks. And like the squeezes and stuff, like triangles. But like, it's not that the strategy stops working, it's the strategy's gonna work, it's gonna happen. Just, you know how that strategy has a 60% hit rate? Well, sorry, but this week you're in the 40% where it doesn't hit. And then maybe, you know, next week or the week after, you get 100% hit rate that whole week because you were in the 60% of the range that the strategy works. It's very likely, like last week, or no, it was the week prior, I think. Let me check. I think it was where I had them marked out with the profit and loss shit. On the NASDAQ. Yeah, so this week, that was last week, right? Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, it worked. Friday, it worked. Here, it failed. You would have got short, it would have wicked you off if you had it set at equilibrium of orb, like midpoint. And then you break out again right at the end of the day. Like, you're not going to make that trade. But Monday it worked. Tuesday it ran for 400 points. Wednesday it worked. Friday it worked. Monday, today, it's fucking failed miserably. Or, sorry, Tuesday. Monday it worked, technically. Yeah, Monday it worked. Yesterday it worked. I just got in too early. So yesterday I kind of top blasted it and had my stop on the NASDAQ was at negative $150, and I had it below the wick of this last 5-minute candle in orb that formed orb, and it wicked me off because, and then I decided, okay, I'm gonna go to the SPY because I get more distance to my $150 stop loss. I got back in on the SPY right here, and no, like on this candle here, and then I scaled in 2 more as it crossed orb, and then I aggressively trailed. See, like, I could have made so much money yesterday. I caught all this up to here, and then I aggressively trailed here, and I put stop loss below the bottom of this wick just to protect my profit, and look at what it wicked me off. Like, barely anything. And then it continued on. I would have made another 150. But today's just a fuck around. Today's a fuck around. Like, that's fucked. This is the trade. It happened at 9:35. Right here. When orb formed, it came down, retested, boom, instantly. How? I gotta look for that, man. I can't just look for the close outside. I gotta look at how it reacts to that level. Because clearly the buyers protected that mark. Look at the fucking wick on the last 15-minute candle. Clearly there's buyers there protecting their position. You don't need order flow to see that. It fucking came outside, wicked back inside, and up she went. That's the play today. That's a fucking missed $250 move, and I'm down 200 bucks. It is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day. Let's get it done. Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I am going to watch a bit of the Olympics, and then I'm probably going... Wait, you... Oh, you jumped in along. Don't say that, bro. Don't say that. I want in. I will... Oh, nice little retest. Well, I guess... If you look at the 3-hour chart, right, you just bounced off of the previous day's low. It's a great bounce, but a range, that's fucking target. Like, that's a good move. Yeah, let me check what the NASDAQ's doing one more time. Nah, bro, it's literally just fucking sitting there. That's so fucking annoying. Power hour, it's gonna go like that. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. It's gonna go fucking up. But... well, good luck with the trade. I mean, on the 3-hour, you use that, right, for your analysis. On the 3-hour, it looks decent. Like, you get a bounce right off yesterday's low. Swept the lows. And yeah, if you can close this fair value gap here, that's a liquidity sweep. Close this fair value gap, you're off to the races, bud. And you did. It created a fair value gap here, swept the fucking lows, and you're in. And I bet you got in down here. Good shit. I gotta go get some deep. I gotta fucking fold laundry, clean up. And then I'm gonna play the Apex update today. Yeah, I mean, I gotta look at something because I can't use order flow. I gotta grab another strat. Like, if you can see on Bitcoin. Sorry, just getting me talking again, but it's fine. If you look at Bitcoin, I started sending, like, I know fucking trade, like, I gotta just, like, that's a liquidity sweep. Boom, up. You just had a liquidity sweep. Boom, up. I know a lot of people that use that strategy, and it's like, works really good for them. Boom, liquidity sweep, down. Here's a low, lower low, liquidity sweep, up. Failed to grab anything there, you wanted to get out before that. Liquidity sweep, and you're moving up. Like, right, liquidity sweep. Technically, it's a move up. Probably would get wicked off somewhere there if you were a little bit late on entry. But liquidity sweep, move down. There's the retest. And then the continuation. I need something else. Look at this. I mean, that's the all-time low, though, right? Or the most recent low. Say we can come up for something tomorrow, so we have two, maybe three strategies going into it. But good luck in that Bitcoin trade. It's looking strong right now, brother. Catch you tomorrow.